Patayin na, buwisit, putang ina.
Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord!
Nice.
Lord, oh my God!
Alisa!
Let's do this. The next delegate to go into the top 30 is Mexico. Philippines.
Pasok ka, Pilipinas! Misinamel! Pasok tayo! Oh my God! Pasok tayo kanina! Misinamel yan! Zimbabwe, pasok na tayo ah! Pasok na tayo!
Them. Top 12. We're ready to do this. I can't begin to tell you. Chile! Please take the stage. Philippines! Philippines!
Oh my God!
To pursue what I want in life. From the young age of 10, I started doing pageants to provide education for myself, for my brother, and for my sister, and help provide for my family. So I really hope that my story is a symbol of hope for everyone to hear that it doesn't matter your life circumstances, you can achieve anything as long as you put your mind, your heart, and your soul in it.
Thank you, Lord!
Oh, here we go. Thailand! Walking, ladies and gentlemen, the top 5. Oh my God, guys, it is time. Are you ready to reveal the top 5? The first into the top 5 is Thailand. Joining her is Philippines.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Balik tayo na ng 5! Oh my God! Ang galing! Oh my God! Oh my God! Nasundan na siya ni ano, ni Bella. Oh my God, Ate Isa, I love you! Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord!
Nice.
Lord, oh my God!
Ate Isa!
The fourth runner-up is
Mexico.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Ang ganda ng sagot niya! Mexico dapat! Oh my God!
The third runner-up is Philippines.
Okay, still congrats! Okay lang yan. Ang ina, Mexico? Hindi deserve ng Mexico tsaka Thailand. Hindi deserve ng Mexico.
The second runner-up is Venezuela.
Bakit Mexico?
Okay pa yung pag yung nanalo eh. Pasakot yung dalawa. Deserve to Venezuela.
Down to the final two. Step forward. This Mexico. This
Okay pa yung kay Philippines eh. Pasakot yan lang.
One of you will be taking the crown and representing women all over the world. as Miss Universe. If, for any reason, the winner is unable to complete her duties, the first runner-up will take her place. Good luck, ladies. The 74th Miss Universe is... Do not pull a Steve Harvey here, Steve. Here we go. Miss Universe is... Mexico!
Bobo yan eh! What? Ang pangit ng sagot niya eh. Kala ko Venezuela.
Congratulations, Miss Mexico!
Lagi nilang luto.
And can we please give a round of applause for our first runner-up, Miss Thailand!
Thailand na lang sana nanalo. Okay, Vina in Thailand. Thailand and Philippines is still congrats.
Congratulations.
Ng Asian, patayin na, buwisit, putang ina.